Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Neida, and this morning I have another story for you. But just before I get into the story, you know how we do it around here. Please remember to click the like button, share the video with your family and friends, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yep, your girl's about to tell another story. This one will definitely put a smile on your face, yeah man. And remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, so whenever time your girl upload, you get the notification. Yes, guys, let us dive right into the story. So Gary was working at this well-known, well-established construction company in Jamaica. At the time, he was working as a painter. He was well-known to everyone, and he was basically the owner's right hand. The workers have been working there for a while, and they decided they want to get their visa. So they went to the boss, and they asked the boss to write them a letter, which the boss did. And most of them that got the letter from the boss, when they went to the embassy, them get through them visa. But you know, as I said, going to Jamaica, if you're working at a well-established company, a well-known company, and the boss write a letter for you to go to the embassy, most likely you will get through. So anyway, so because other people get through now, Gary wanted the opportunity, he wanted to try. So he go to the boss, because boss and friend, you know, so no problem with that. So the boss wrote a letter for Gary, and the letter, well, nice letter for Gary, you know. Gary took it into the embassy, and yeah man, Gary got his visa, so that was good for Gary. After Gary got his visa, he was still working at the company, yeah man, and just waiting on the perfect time for him to book a flight to America. Gary have never traveled before, so Gary just wait on that time, you know, that right time, so he can travel. Gary have this friend living in America, and the friend was also in painting. He was a painter in America, and he was always encouraging Gary to go and, you know, get your visa sorted out, man, because they can come over here, keep up with work and something. So now that Gary got his visa, Gary called a friend, and when he told the friend was happy for him, and the friend said, yeah man, whenever you're ready to travel, let me know so I can hook up a little work for you. So Gary told a friend that he want to come up in the summer. This is going to be hilarious, so stay tuned, guys. If you have made it this far in the video, remember to give your girl a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, guys, so you can get the videos when your girl put them up. Share the video with your family and friends. Let's get back into it. Gary friend lined up the job for Gary now. Gary book his flight. Yeah, Gary ready to take a plane. Gary never got foreign before. Gary got foreign now. But guys, guess what? Gary not have no work permit, you know. Gary just have a visiting visa. You don't know what Gary do. Gary buy a suitcase, one of them big suitcases there, and Gary pack his suitcase with some clothes and a whole lot of painting too. Gary pack paintbrush, Gary pack plaster knife, Gary pack every painting tool when you can think of. Probably if you check Gary's suitcase, you could find like a thinner and one cloth to clean off his hand when he done work. Cause guess what? Gary knows I'm going to work with oil paint. Probably can't even find that in a paint in a Gary suitcase. Who to tell? Gary pack every painting tool we have. Guys, to him now, guys, he is well set, well ready for drop a foreign, you know. Well ready for go work. He went to the airport now, guys, and Gary went on the plane. Gary said, yeah, me in a plane, me ready for go foreign, here I go. Remember, say first time Gary go travel, you know. Friend nobody will wait upon Gary, but guess what, guys? A friend never tell Gary, say Gary not supposed to pack no painting tool in a suitcase. Guys, yes, when you have a little friend in Jamaica or whichever country, and you have a little work for them over there in your country, please tell them no pack no work tool. I know everybody have the knowledge for know so they must pack work tool. Gary never have the knowledge. So anyways, Gary friend was over there waiting for Gary to arrive so he can pick up Gary at the airport. But you know, so when you reach America, you have to go through immigration or whatever they call it. You have to go through check. Pull Gary one side, and then they start questioning Gary. Not right in a Gary suitcase. You know, because Gary have visiting visa. Gary not have a work permit. Gary never go foreign on H2B visa. Gary went up as a visitor. They put Gary one side, and then they start questioning Gary now, and the man asked Gary, what is your reason? I'm going to check the suitcase now, guys, and see all the work tool night, you know. So they asked Gary, what is your reason for traveling? Gary said vacation. No, sir. Gary said vacation. You can imagine the man asking me a question, the man must be like, No, I'm not hear what you say good. Probably never hear what me say. So the man asked him again, what is the reason for a visit? What is the reason for traveling? And Gary now feel good enough and they are far enough, so Gary go start twang no. Vacation, sir. Vacation. The man said, what on there? Probably their brother are deaf or something. Probably not hear me good. So the man looking at Gary's suitcase. Just imagine. The man looking at Gary's suitcase and he look at Gary. And he look again. He look back on Gary. He probably are rubbing his head because he might wonder, what me I hear? And he asked Gary again, what's the reason for traveling? And Gary said, politely again, vacation, sir. So tell me now, how is vacation you are go upon, Gary, with your suitcase full of tool, paintbrush, plaster knife, God he knows what else in that suitcase. Gary, you know how no sense? No. Can you imagine? Them the people supposed to take Gary for laughing stock, you know. Because Gary, you are go over far enough to go work. Private thing. You're never supposed to carry your tools, them Gary, but you carry your tool. You never know so you can buy them there foreign. Your friend in a painting, in the lend your painting tool, no Gary? Where you gonna carry painting tool for? Guys, Gary create history. Gary are the first man to get turned back at the airport. Gary was the first man to drop a friend and get turned back right at the airport. Well, I'm not something still because guess what? Gary can't tell people saying go foreign. Yes, Gary, you go foreign. You can't. Nobody can tell you saying go foreign, Gary. Why? Guys, when I heard this story, man, I had to laugh. Gary had no sense. Gary, you're not happy, so. I can imagine, guys, when the friend hear what happened, the friend said, boy, John Star, Gary, you're an idiot in my youth. Seriously, Gary? You really pack painting tool, paintbrush and plaster knife and them something there in your suitcase? And me have them something over here, my youth? But friend, guess what? Me blame you too. You should have tell your friends not pack them something there. Them man a painter. I'm going to go and pack in a painting tool. Come on, man. You should tell the dudes to not pack them something there, man, because they will get turned back, you know? Yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I have a lot more of these funny stories. Remember to click the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell and share the video with your family and friends. And come back for the next one. I begin to